In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to change an image inside a component on Figma. Let's get started by opening Figma and loading the file that contains the component you want to update. Make sure you're in the design file, not just a preview, so you can select layers and access the right sidebar. Next, locate the new image you want to use. This could be in another frame in your file or from a different file you have open. Select that image and copy it. You can right-click and choose copy or use the keyboard shortcut Command or Control C. Keeping the image on your clipboard is important for the next steps. If you now go back to your canvas and just paste, you'll notice the image drops in on top of your component. It sits above the existing content and simply overlays the original image. That might look right for a second, but it doesn't replace the image inside the component. And it can break your layout, masks, and responsive behavior. So that's not the approach we want. Here's the correct method. Select the component instance that contains the image you want to change. Drill into it until you've selected the image layer itself. You can double click, hold Command or Control to click through, or use the Layers panel to target that specific image frame. With that image layer selected, look over to the right sidebar and find the Fill section. You should see an image thumbnail there, indicating the layer uses an image fill. Click that image in the fill. This tells Figma you're editing the image fill, not adding a new object to the canvas. Now, with the fill field active, paste. Use Command or Control V. Figma replaces the existing image fill with the one you copied. Because you pasted into the fill, the component's masks, corner radii, layout constraints, and proportions are preserved. Your image stays perfectly positioned within its placeholder, and responsive behavior continues to work as designed. That's the correct way to change an image inside a component. If you need to fine-tune how it fits, you can adjust the fill settings, like switching between fill, fit, or crop, or drag to reposition within the mask. And if you're working in an instance of a component, this counts as an override. So you can change images per instance without editing the main component. If anything looks off, verify that you selected the image layer itself before pasting and not a parent frame. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.